In a small village, there was a clockmaker who owned a shop filled with clocks of all kinds. Wall clocks, wristwatches, and more. He single-handedly managed everything, from crafting clocks to selling them. However, his shop wasn't just famous for its clocks. The clockmaker himself was well known throughout the village for his wisdom and the thoughtful advice he gave to anyone who sought it. People often wondered if he sold clocks out of passion rather than necessity. Villagers frequently visited him, not only to buy or repair clocks, but also to seek solutions to their problems. Whether someone faced confusion, challenges, or doubts, they would find clarity after speaking with him. The clockmaker was a kind-hearted man who kept to himself and never indulged in arguments or disputes. Yet there was one peculiar thing about him. He never spoke of the past or the future. No matter how much people tried to get him to discuss his life, he would simply smile and point toward one of his clocks. His mysterious silence about time often puzzled the villagers. One day a young man came to his shop, troubled by the weight of his own thoughts. The boy confessed, "I am consumed by regret over my past mistakes, and I constantly worry about the future. I feel lost and restless. Please guide me." Instead of answering directly, the clockmaker handed the boy a broken clock and said, "Before I give you advice, could you fix this clock for me?" The boy was surprised. "Me? Fix it? But I don't know how to repair clocks. That's your job." The clockmaker chuckled and replied, "Just give it a try. Tighten this part first." Hesitantly, the boy followed the instructions. As the clockmaker guided him step by step, the boy worked on the clock. Hours passed, and after much effort and focus, the clock was restored. Its hands began moving smoothly again, and it looked as good as new. The clockmaker smiled and said, "Thank you for fixing my clock." The boy sighed. "That's fine, but now please help me with my problem." The clockmaker looked at him thoughtfully and said, "I already have. Let me explain. When did you manage to fix this clock? When you focused all your attention on it, ignoring everything else. You weren't thinking about how it broke, nor were you worrying about what you'd do with it after it was fixed. You concentrated solely on the task at hand, and the result is right in front of you, a perfectly working clock." He continued, "Your life is like that broken clock right now. If you dwell on how it got broken, your past, or worry about what will happen once it's fixed, your future, you won't get anywhere. The only way to rebuild your life is to focus entirely on the present moment, just as you did with the clock. Stop regretting the past. It cannot be changed. Stop fearing the future. It depends on what you do today. Use your present wisely because it holds the power to shape your future." The clockmaker paused and added with a smile, "And one more thing. Don't search for happiness in some distant tomorrow. Happiness is in today. The day you learn to find joy and purpose in the present, your life will automatically improve. Remember, today is the foundation upon which tomorrow will stand. Work hard on your today, and you'll wake up to a better tomorrow." The boy left with a newfound sense of clarity and hope, realizing the importance of living in the present and cherishing every moment.